See what is data loading in BigQuery. Loading data. Loading data in BigQuery refers to the process of ingesting and storing data from external sources into BigQuery tables, making it available for analysis and querying within the BigQuery environment. So there are many ways uh, there are many ways we can ingest the data into our BigQuery tables. So let's see it. The first one is load data from a local file. So the use case is small data sets or quick testing. The process is use the BigQuery load command to load data from a local file. So here is the command we need to use in the console, I mean Cloud Shell. Cloud Shell terminal, we need to use this command. So there is another way of uploading our file like CSV file or any other thing from our local desktop. Let's see the example of it. Here you can see my BigQuery UI. So to open BigQuery UI, go to this navigation button and open the BigQuery. Here you can find building APIs, everything. So here is a data set which I have created, BigQuery data. So BigQuery dataset is used to store tables. We'll try to ingest dataset from a CSV file. So this is just to show how we can load different kind of data available in different sources into BigQuery. So here is a data set. Inside that, let's create a table. Here you can find create table. So go to that create table. So we'll try to ingest data from CSV. So it will ask us what kind of table we want to have, or and also where we can pull the data from. So we will say create table from, we can use GCS also upload, drive, Google Big Data, etc. So for now I am using upload as I am ingesting CSV file. So here you can see select file. So we need to browse for our file location. File is located in my laptop. So here you can find so I'm using this CSV file. You can see it is present here, and also file format is CSV. Then also we need to give our destination, I mean table name. So let me give table name as India population. India underscore population. So for schema, we'll choose auto detect. It will automatically detect the fields, and also schema we need to pull. Now if we give create table, table is creating now, so it is taking time. You can see here created, and also you can see the table here India population is created. So so the idea here is we had our CSV file in our laptop and we wanted that CSV file, we wanted that data from CSV file uh, to our BigQuery interface. We wanted to upload the data from CSV file to our BigQuery interface. So we pulled the data. When we click on this table, we will get its schema, year, population, yearly change, migrants, density, all the field names. So here is the details. Table ID last modified. Then here number of rows is 18. Total physical bytes 0 bytes. You can see all the data here. If you want to preview it, you can do it here. You can see the data here. We can also query on it. Let's do it. So let's say select star, will remove the will give limit up to let's say 5. Order by year. Let's give it in ascending order. So I'm using ascending keyword. Let's have this limit here. Limit, let's say 5. So if I run it, you can see the 5 datas in the ascending order of the year. we have given limit 5 years, so it is giving only 5. This is one way of ingesting data from the CSV file to our BigQuery interface. If you want to extract, if you want to pull some data from table employee, let's see what is there in table employee. You can see the data here. Let's wait for it. If you want to extract data, pull some data from it and create a new table. So we'll run it. The second one is batch loading from cloud storage. Supported formats are CSV, JSON, Avro, packets, ORC, file store, exports, and more. The process is upload our data files to a Google Cloud storage bucket. Use the BigQuery load command or the BigQuery web UI to load the data into BigQuery. So here is the command. We need to run it in the Cloud shell. So the third one is, before that, let me show you. This is the, if we go here, this is our Cloud shell terminal. So in this area, we need to write this command in this area. So this is about using the Cloud shell terminal. And also I have shown you how to upload CSV file from our local desktop. So the next one is data, load data from Bigtable. Use cases, loading data from Bigtable into BigQuery. The process is use the BigQuery command line tool or API with the Bigtable flag. This is the command we need to follow while working in Cloud Shell terminal. So this is about the loading data in BigQuery. There is another like querying external sources in BigQuery. Let's see it in the other video so that you will be knowing everything about loading and exporting and querying external sources in BigQuery. Exporting data. Exporting data in BigQuery refers to the process of extracting and saving data from BigQuery tables to external storage such as Google Cloud Storage or a local file. This allows you to export the results of your queries or share data with the other system. We can see the advantages here. Exporting data is useful for creating backups, sharing data with external stakeholders, or integrating BigQuery with other parts of our data ecosystem. So we need to remember this: when exporting data, we can choose from various file formats such as CSV file, JSON, Avro, Packet, or ORC. We can export data from BigQuery using BigQuery web UI command line tools like BigQuery or the BigQuery API. We can export the entire contents of a table or export the results of a query. Commonly, data is exported in Google Cloud Storage, where we specify a GCS bucket and the object path as the destination.